Good evening, children. Now we are going to discuss about definite integral as a limit sum. Here we are going to discuss about the Riemann integral. In Riemann integral, left-hand rule for n subintervals. So if you are given n subintervals, then the left-hand rule can be written as S is equal to f of x naught plus f of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3 plus f of x4 dot f of x n minus 1. Suppose if there is 5 subintervals, here we have to complete f of x4 till f of x4. Because we are starting from x0, so that we need to complete till x4. Then right-hand rule for 5 subdivisions. That is nothing but we have to start from the right side. So we are splitted this interval as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 like that. Then left-hand rule means we have to go from here and we have to take 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right-hand rule means we have to take from the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from x5 to x1 we have to start. So S is equal to f of x5 plus f of x4 plus f of x3 plus f of x2 plus f of x1. Midpoint rule for 5 subdivisions. So S is equal to f of x0 plus x1 by 2. That is, midpoint means adding these two numbers and we are dividing by 2. So that first number we can get as f of x0 plus x1 by 2. The second we can get as f of x1 plus x2 by 2. Then third one x2 plus x3 by 2, x3 plus x4 by 2, x4 plus x5 by 2. So these are the 5 subdivisions we can get as a midpoint rule. Now we are going to discuss some problems regarding this. Find the approximate value of integral 1 to 1.5 x dx by applying the left end rule with partition 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So always you have to take this number as x0 and this number will be x5, because here we have 5 partition. So this will be x0 and this will be x5. So now x0 is equal to 1. x1 is equal to 1.1, x2 is equal to 1.2, x3 is equal to 1.3, x4 is 1.5 and x5 is 1.1. So the first lower limit is a, that is 1, and upper limit is 1.5. So this 1 must be taken as x0 as well as a. So now left hand rule formula we have to take from x0. So f of x0 plus f of x1 plus f of x2 plus f of x3 plus f of x4 into delta x. Here delta x is nothing but b minus a by n. B is nothing but the upper limit, a is nothing but the lower limit 1, and n is nothing but number of subintervals, that is 1.5 minus 1 by 5, that is 0.5 by 5, that is 0.1. Here h is equal to 0.1. So now s is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4. So x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. Because we have 5 subintervals, we have to start from x0 and we have to complete with x4 into h or delta x 0.1. So 1 plus 1.1 plus 1.2 plus 1.3 plus 1.4 into 0.1. If you add all this number, you will get 6. 6 into 0.1, that is 0.6. Therefore, the Riemann sum for the given integration is 0.6. Now, we will discuss next problem. Find an approximate value of integral 1 to 1.5 x square dx by applying the right hand rule with the partition 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So I told always this is x naught and this is b. X naught also taken as a. This one is the lower limit is taken as a and this upper limit is taken as 1.5. B. X naught will be 1. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1.5, x naught is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 1.1. We are given in this partition. x2 1.2, x3 1.3, x4 1.4, x5 1.5. The right and Riemann integral sum is f of x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. So in between you will get plus. So from x5 to x1 you need to write. So just I am writing in the, I am writing as, actually you have to write f of x5, x4, x3, x2, x1. So just I am writing the reverse order into delta x. So f of 1.1, f of 1.2 plus f of 1.3 plus f of 1.4 plus f of 1.5 into 0.1. So here the function is given as x square. See, here the function is given as x square. So you f of 1.1 means 1.1 whole square, 1.2 whole square, 1.3 whole square. So here 1.1 whole square plus 1.2 whole square plus 1.3 whole square plus 1.4 whole square plus 1.5 whole square. So this is 1.21, 1.44, 1.69, 1.96, 2.25 into 0.1. So 8.55 into 0.1, that is 0.855. So this will be the answer. Third sum, you can try it as a homework. It is a midpoint Riemann integral.